This practice is an activation and alignment journey. May it guide you into a deep sense of inner harmony and equanimity. Begin by taking a deep breath in. Sip in a little more air at the top. Release and let go. Twice more. Deep breath in. Sip in a little more air at the top and let go with a gentle sigh, relaxing the jaw. And one last breath in, pausing. Sip in a little more air. Exhale, release and let go. And this time as you release, let the body become heavy, sinking down into the support beneath you, letting your breathing just breathe for itself. And allow yourself to become fully present here in this moment of deep rest. This is a place where the body begins to regenerate and heal. And as you bring awareness back to your breath, take in another inhale. And as you exhale, relax the jaw and the tongue, the cheeks and the ears. Bring awareness to the tiny muscles around and behind the eyes. Release and let them go. The forehead is soft. Feeling the touch of air on the skin at the forehead and the face. And allowing the body to become completely effortless in rest. And now imagine the mind like a muscle, softening, open, releasing any tension in the muscle of the mind. Shoulders are softening, melting down to the ground. Hands relaxing, belly softening, legs releasing, hips becoming heavy. Letting go and releasing any tension in the legs. The feet relaxing from the inside out. And now bring awareness to the breath, focusing on the energy of the breath and moving towards your heart center. And as you're breathing in and out here, you notice a light at your heart. The light grows brighter and lighter with each inhale and exhale that you take. You notice the bright white color and swirls of green as you connect to your heart. The light brings with it a circle of warmth. The warmth expands outward and light surrounds your whole body. And inside this circle of protection, you are sheltered from the outside world momentarily, free to be here now in this sanctuary of relaxation. And as you soften into the internal world of listening, sensing, noticing, begin to welcome sounds of the environment around you. Any smells, any sensations. Tuning into your inner world as you let go of every external influence. And now welcoming your intention into the space of your heart. You may bring in a phrase such as, I rest deeply to restore my mind, body, and spirit. Or perhaps you have your own sankalpa, your own intention that you are working with, a short present tense, believing it as if it were already true, and repeating it to yourself 3 times, allowing this intention to infuse into your being, creating a solid core belief within yourself. And now we'll move on to a rotation of consciousness throughout the entire body. Bring awareness to the tip of your tongue, to the right side of your tongue, and the left side, to the base, the root of the mouth, the top teeth and gums, the bottom teeth and gums, the right cheek, the left cheek, the space between the lips, the lower lip, the upper lip. Noticing the flow of air at the tip of the nostrils, the tip of the nose, the breath in the right nostril, the breath in the left nostril, the bridge of your nose, and that space between your eyebrows, the right brow, the right temple, the right eyelid and lashes, the right eye, the space between the brows, the left brow, the left temple, the left eyelid and lashes, the left eye, both eyes together, radiant, soft, and relaxed. And now bring awareness to the center of the forehead. The whole of the forehead softens. The right hemisphere of the brain, the left hemisphere of the brain, both hemispheres together. Tongue, the jaw, the throat, the heart, your right chest, your right shoulder, right arm, hand, each of your right fingers, and your right thumb. Palm of the right hand and the back of the right hand, the elbow, shoulder, side waist, hip, the right thigh, the right knee, calf, ankle, and heel. The right sole of the foot and the top of the left foot, each of the toes and the whole of the right side of the body, the left chest, shoulder, arm and hand, each of the left fingers and the left thumb, the palm and the back of the hand, the elbow, shoulder, side waist, the left hip, the left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and heel. The sole and the top of the foot, each toe, the whole of the left side of the body. And now feeling both sides of the body, awareness of the whole body, effortlessly breathing, completely at rest. And now bring your awareness to the center of your forehead, breathing into the midbrain, into your third eye, inhaling and exhaling. And now dropping awareness to the throat, breathing in and out through your throat. And now into your heart, feeling each inhale and exhale nourishing your heart. Each inhale brings lightness, each exhale brings grounding, floating and sinking with the breath. Inhale and exhale. And now bring your awareness to the base of your spine, your root. Feeling the weight of your body resting here. See your root connecting to the earth below. Begin to breathe into your roots. Draw in life nourishment. Visualizing a deep red light, grounding and steady. You feel safety and belonging. Inhaling stability, exhaling any fears. And now bring your awareness to your lower abdomen, your sacral chakra. Begin to feel it expanding like ripples on a lake. Visualize a soft orange light swirling. This is your space of emotion and creativity. Inhaling warmth, exhaling any resistance. And now move into the space below your sternum, your solar plexus. Feeling a vibrant yellow fire here. This is your will and your power center. Visualize golden sunlight energizing into this space. Inhaling strength, exhaling doubt. And now into the center of your chest, your heart chakra. Feel it soften, expand, and reach outward. Visualize a rich green light, fresh and healing. Inhale love, exhale heaviness. And now moving towards your throat, feel it vibrate softly into the space around you. Visualize a gentle blue light clearing and opening this center. Inhaling authenticity. Exhaling any suppression. Awareness to your eyebrows and to that space in the center, your third eye. A deep indigo glow opens your intuition. You are empowered to trust yourself to make good decisions. And at the crown of your head, the crown chakra, a soft violet light opens up here, connecting you to divine wisdom. Breathe in unity. Exhale separation. And now see all 7 chakras lit and aligned, colors glowing from base to crown. Feeling this rainbow stream of energy moving in harmony. This illuminating light is your entire being, your center. You are balanced. You are aligned. You are whole. And now it's time to return to your Sankalpa. Repeat it to yourself 3 times with the belief and knowing that it's true. And saying to yourself, my practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. You may choose to rest here a while longer or gently return to waking. Begin to bring tiny movements to the fingers and toes. Maybe a gentle rock of your head, moving into a slow awakening. Maybe a wriggle, a stretch. Do anything that feels good. And when you are ready, gently blink your eyes open and say to yourself, my practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Namaste.